Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to do hand drawing. Like I'm gonna teach you how to draw a hand. And if you love to watch art related videos, painting related videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. is done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a quite fast drawing. I tried to do it, and if you are my subscriber, then you know that at first I was not good with hands that much, but right now I am like okay with hands and I can draw it, not properly, but at least I try it, and it turns out good. So I'll suggest you to um do a lot of practice, and please give some time to your drawing, because if you don't practice then you won't learn anything. And so yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye.